Hello, how are you? You're more than welcome. I'm Mr. M. Samir, the chairman of Master Group. I'm an English teacher. I'm more than happy that you will enroll in my English course. In this course, I'll take you on a nice, exciting, and enjoyable journey into the world of English grammar. This course is divided into 3 sections. Section 1 displays 2 introductory tenses that you should know well. 1. Future time. 2. Present simple tense. Section 2 displays another 2 critical grammatical rules. 1. The subject and verb agreement cases. 2. Present perfect simple tense. Section 3 teaches you 5 important grammatical topics. 1. Past simple tense. 2. Past continuous tense. 3. Past perfect simple tense. 4. Conditional sentences. 5. Modal verbs. Another welcome greeting. I hope you enjoy our course and get the most out of it. See you in the course. Future time. We use the following 6 structures to talk about future time. 1. Will plus infinitive. We use will, A, to talk about future facts. Ahmed will be 15 next June. B, to predict events without evidence. Our team will win the match tomorrow. C, to take quick decisions. I will buy a Happy Meal for my kid. D, to offer to do something. I will do the math homework with my little brother. E, to ask someone to do something. Request. Will you save this phone number for me? F, to make a warning or a threat. I will punish you if you do not stop making noise. G, to make a promise. I will buy you a Modal if you get the first prize. H, after the next verbs. Think, believe, promise, warn, threat, expect, predict, suppose, hope, wonder, doubt. I hope you will get better soon. I, after the following phrases. I'm sure, I'm afraid. I'm sure Mark will pass the exam. I'm afraid I won't go to work tomorrow. J, with the following adverbs. Certainly, probably, possibly, perhaps, definitely. Perhaps we will go to the cinema tomorrow. K, with the following linking words if there is a verb in the present simple tense comes after them. If, the first conditional, unless, after, before, when, as soon as, until. If I finish my homework early, I will go to bed at 10. I won't go out until it stops raining.